This is what you missed out on, baby. This is Lyndon Middle School.
Cookie break.
Last time on Walde sailing, we motored into Montague Harbour and settled in for the night. That night, strong winds blew through the anchorage, and the paranoia of dragging anchor kept us up pretty much all night long. Hey.
How's the Sudoku?
Good. It's just so nice out.
Oh man, what a difference from last night. It's crazy. I don't know how big Galliano is, but the town seems to kind of shut down in the winter. At least for the tourism, but yeah, we'll go check out what there is. We need some stove oil. Looks like a nice little marina. Almost forgot that. Oh, bless you. A couple more. Good. Cool. Play cool. So we walked a bit down the road, hoping to stumble upon a gas station, but no luck.
This is part of like cruising in the off season. Nothing's open.
Yeah.
The shuttles don't run.
We're just gonna go back to the boat, eat lunch, and then go to Clam Bay. Hopefully we can actually sail some today. That would be really exciting. Way to hold strong last night there, Zanny. Getting us out of here? It's been beautiful here. It'd be really nice in the summer season. I would definitely love to come back in the summer when it's open and busy. But it's time for us to go. Familiar sight, Winter Lyndon with his sweater on. Pulling up the anchor.
Driving.
Thanks. Good job pulling the anchor out.
Going to work, smiling as we're falling apart. You lie to your friends as fine as you're falling apart. Soon giving in this time, 'cause it's falling apart.
What? I don't even know how to do it. This is what you missed out on, baby. This is Lyndon Middle School.
Darn.
Yo, Tiff.
I know we're talking to each other, but we can't really hear each other because we're both in earplugs in.
We're yelling at each other.
We either are
What?
What?
Can you show me the video so I can see what I look like? Oh yeah, Tiff. You would have loved this. Hey? I could probably almost get some wings. That's what you wanted.
We are in Clam Bay. It looks very different from the last time we came in. You can actually see the shoreline.
Lie to yourself at times, now you're falling apart.
Oh, so muddy.
Yeah,
How's that hair?
it's on my face.
So annoying. I hope we don't run out of stove oil because it's gonna be so cold.
Yeah, pretty chilly.
It feels really cold. Feels like it's going to be cold. So we're here for the night, and then tomorrow we hit the pass at almost 10, I
Quarter
think?
to 10.
Quarter to 10. So yeah, and then hopefully we can actually sail across the strait. Not use all our fuel up in one trip.
Yeah, it'll be an expensive week.
No rain in those clouds, I hope.
Rain's fine, but crazy wind we can do without while we're trying to sleep.
Yeah, that was really stressful. We heard something drop on our boat this morning, and then we just found this. And I have no idea what it is. It's something's shell. Ew. That looks really gross. I'm tossing it over.
One of the ways that I monitor our anchor to see if we're dragging, what you do is if you're using Navionics, you can track it. All you have to do is set a marker. To do that, you just click. You can move it around. So looking at our path, can tell that our anchor's probably about there because we dropped it, reversed, set it, went pretty smooth. Question mark, marker, anchor, and then what you can do is you just snap your measurement. It should snap to the markers, and then it actually just tracks it. So then in the night you can just look. I know that I have about 100 feet of chain out, so as long as my distance isn't more than 100 feet, then we should be good.
Lyndon lit the stove while I did a quick scrub of the deck before we headed down for the night. Oh my goodness.
Just desperately trying to get our coffee ground. Just give it the beans. Oh. Are you gonna be okay?
No. Our dinghy's smoking. All the dew's evaporating. Lyndon's pulling up the anchor. It's about 9 o'clock, so we're just leaving. So we can hopefully hit the pass at Slack, which is in about 40 minutes. It's so nice out. I'm so excited. It's gonna be a good day. It's breezy. It's good. Hopefully we can actually sail on the other side. Right here, so they must just be a ton of fish on it. cookie break. We made it through the pass. We're having celebratory cookies.
Tiff made them last night.
There's nobody out here. We have our autopilot on. This is exciting. I'm just bummed there's no wind.
Autopilot's a game changer.
Wind would also be a game changer.
Yeah, wind would be nice. But we'll see. Hopefully we see some orcas.
That would be really cool. We've got to see orcas while we're sailing in these areas.
Okay. Well, just 2 for me, or?
Well.
Cheers.
Nice big log to keep you on your toes out here. So much debris in the water. Crazy. The wind may not have shown up, but we still found some ways to have a pretty fun afternoon. Don't fall!
What did she say?
I don't know.
I'm a real girl? No.
That's Pinocchio.
Yeah, stand there and look out or something. No, not so posed. No.
This reminds me of being a kid on my parents' boat. This is always the coveted seat. Now I have one all to myself. I know, it's so nice. Can't stop smiling.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this episode. If you want to learn a little bit more about us or become part of our Walde Sailing family, head over to our Patreon page. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We put a new episode out every Wednesday, and you can also find us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are below. Thanks for watching.